Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import the CC4 Charming Door, the character creator for Charming Door, into Blender 4.3 and make it become a 3D avatar in Blender 4.3. So start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step. The CC4 Charming Door, you can just get it from my video description. I already put the link in my video description. If you already have the CC4, you can just get the Charming Door from the content store. Then from the CC4, we are going to import it into Blender. First, what you need to do is, alright, the first thing what you need to do is just go and check all of the material. So you have to click the first one, scroll down until you see the last one. You hold the shift, click the last one, then get all selected. The shader type, you must make sure you change it all to PBR or traditional. Change it to PBR. Then check again. Alright, now already become the PBR. Next is the hair. Alright, you have to check one by one to make sure all of the base color, material texture existing. Just check one by one, click one by one to make sure it have. The eye slash. Alright, this is a material texture. It is gray, black, jewelry. Alright, the hair, it doesn't exist. We have to create one. To create one, you just need to go to the pen. Then go to the size. Adjust the size. Resize. The resize is at here. Resize the pixel. Untick this. The horizontal. 1024 and 1024. Click OK. Just make some color here. For example, the green. Just fill it. Alright, then click File, Save As. On the desktop, this is the color, the base color. Then back to here, the hair, you can see the base color, it doesn't exist. You can just drag and drop to replace it first as the first step. Just check one by one to make sure it is there. Drag and drop. We don't want something that empty at here. Ribbon. Just check one by one. This is very important. Now this one, it doesn't exist. Hue. For something that it doesn't exist, you can just replace with a white color. So now, back to the pen. The image is still there. We just use the white color. Click Save. On the desktop as white. Something that doesn't exist, we just make it exist. Drag and drop. Then next, the hues. Necklace. Alright. Now, done. Once you already done this step, next we are going to make sure all of the diffuse color reset to white. So click the first one, scroll down, hold the shift, click the last one, all get selected. The diffuse color, we click and make sure it reset back to white. Click OK. Now done. Once you've done this step, then you should be able to see, for example, the hue just now. The base color is that you add the color. That is the hue. Totally two of them. So you may just add the color to the hue. And then you change the color, change the hue. Just right click, adjust the color, change the hue. Okay, both of them. Just reset it first, change the hue. Alright, now you can see you change the color of the shoes. You have to make sure the color is as this. Alright, next is the hair. The hair, you have two material texture. We just check the hair. This one. Sphere, grid curve 004, and what else? This one. Grid 001, 004. So now we just select the whole avatar, and you can see this one 001 and 004. These two, we select it, right click here, adjust the color. Adjust the color of the hair just by changing the hue. This is the way. Now you can see once you already change the hair color, the material texture color will automatically get changed as well. Change to a color that you really like. And you can change the brightness as well. Make it darker. Right. Once you've done this step, then you can export to Blender. Save your project file first. Ctrl+Shift+S to save this. And as demo, I will just save it on my desktop. Just right click, create a new folder. Name this as a model 01. Model 01, save. Then now, I'm going to export to Blender as FBX file. Click File, Export, FBX as export as closed character. The target tool preset, choose Blender. Then next, the FBX option, choose the mesh only. Then click here. Make sure you merge the opacity to diffuse texture. This is very important. Just take it, click export on this folder. Just copy the location and paste it here. Ctrl V and press enter. The file name this as model 01. Click save. Now it is exporting as FBX file. We need to wait for a while until the FBX file done. Yes, the FBX file is already there. Then now we are going to import it into Blender. In Blender 4.3, just press A to select everything and press delete to delete everything. Now I'm going to import the FBX file. Just drag and drop into the Blender, click import FBX and wait for a while. Now you can see it already imports. Next, we go to viewport shading to see all of the material texture. We are going to make sure everything look normal. Alright, now everything seems okay. So next we are going to test the 3D avatar. For example, I want to test the face. So I go to the shape key to try to see the facial expression morph. Is that everything? Well, okay, right. Lip. Right, all of the material texture is quite okay. And also all of the shape key, the morph, quite okay as well. So many. Alright, the facial expressions should be no problem. Then next we are going to just test the bone. Click the bone. Go to here. Viewport display, just make it show in front. and the octahedra I changed it to become the stick. We just want to test it. Click and just go to the edit mode. Sorry, go to the pose mode. We are going to just test the eyeball. So the eyeball will be okay. You can make the eye rotation animation. Alright, next is the mouth. We are going to see which one is the jawbone. Just show the name. Which one is the jaw? We try first and see how. Alright, this is the open mouth jaw. So the skeletons, it doesn't have any problem. So this one, select the correct bone. Bend the hand. Make it become octahedra. We just see which one is which. Alright, now all of this skeleton, it doesn't have any problem. You can just make your animations. This 3D avatar from the CC4, the character creator 4, is already ready for 3D animations in Blender. Everything look nice. I just stopped showing the bone, and this is really look beautiful. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to export the charming door from the character creator 4 and make it become a 3D avatar in Blender 4.3, and to make her become ready for 3D animations. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you.